Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you what's the best way to max your comfort and stamina buff in Windrose. Now if you take a look on the bottom left of my screen, you can see there that there is a status called Rested, which has a description that my stamina now regenerates faster. You can get this buff if you're still within your bonfire range and depending on the decorations of what you have on your area. Now with the level 15 of Rested, I can get about almost 24 minutes of faster stamina regeneration. To show you how fast it is, let me just attack right now and drain my stamina, and it should increase drastically as you saw right there. Now if you have your comfort level just about level 1, especially when you're just starting out in the game, I believe you can only get it by at least 5 minutes. So it doesn't really last for that long when you're traveling around the area. Now for you to increase that comfort level, go over to the decoration on the building menu. And you can find all of these categories that are presented to you. Now because I am a little bit farther into the game, I have a lot of decorations ready for me. But if you're just starting out, you could have at least at bare minimum 10 different decoration categories. Now if I hover to the stool right here, take note of the description that says Comfort Class 1. And it says here at the bottom, comfort bonuses in this category do not stack. So you can only place any one of these on the seating category to raise your comfort by level 1. For example, over on the seating, I pretty much got the bench with backrest right over here. Now for the other direct decorations like the table, the shelves, and the wardrobes, make sure to set all of these up as much as you can. As you can see, there's a table, there's also this barrel, there's also this wardrobe, there's the cookware shelf, and many more scattered in this small little area just to maximize my comfort level. The higher your comfort level, the longer the stamina buff regeneration lasts. And that's pretty much about it on the best way to max comfort and stamina buff in Windrose.